Hello guys, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon about the vaping. So meron ditong studies, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kabataan na nagve-vape. Kasi ang iniisip nila ay misconception nila ay yung sigarilyo, pag pinalit daw sa vape, ay mas healthy at saka hindi masyado nakakasira ng ating lungs. So according to the studies, basahin ko ha. The study published in May 2, 2025 revealed that vaping more than double the risk of serious lung diseases. Ayan o, doble yung lung diseases na makukuha according to the study, May 2025. So even individuals without a prior smoking history, the research conducted by the Oxford University found a 2.29 times higher likelihood of developing chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD among vapers compared to non-vapers. Ayan, kinumpare yung mga nagbe-vape tsaka hindi nagbe-vape. Biruin mo yan, no? 2.29 times. Magkakaroon ka ng COPD. Medyo nakaka-alarma yan. Nabasa ko kasi to dun sa news about sa Philippines. Parang meron din silang study sa Philippines na mataas ang risk na magkaroon ka ng COPD pag nagbe-vape ka. This study is significant because it isolate the effect of vaping itself, unlike previous studies where many vape users were also former smoker. Maganda yan kasi nagkaroon siya ng distinction kasi dati raw meron silang studies na ang ginawa lang nilang studies ay mga smoker pa rin pa hindi nila masyadong na-detect o nako-compare kung gaano ba kataas yung chance na magkaroon ka ng COPD. So, meron mga research din dito na malalaman mo. Further research highlight the complexities of vaping impact. Reduce harm, misconception. Ito yung misconception. Ito may studies din. Pag nag-search kayo at binasa nyo sa Google, the study by the University of Bristol, another study na naman to, found that young adults are more likely to switch from smoking to vaping if they perceive vaping as less harmful than smoking. However, misconception about the relative risk of vaping persists, potentially deterring smoker from making the switch. Ito yung sinasabi nilang misconception talaga ng mga kabataan. So hanggat maaari guys, maging healthy tayo at kung maiwasan, huwag mag-smoke. Mas okay yung huwag mag-smoke kasi para naman sa inyo yan. At saka ano yung smoking, hindi good for the health. Rinarekomenda nga ng mga sa DOH natin na quit smoking. Pansinin nyo yung mga label about do sa mga cigarette. Meron sirang baga, sirang dito sa may lalamunan kasi yan ang mga epekto ng smoking. At hindi lang smoking, vaping later on. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!